When it comes to needling, a lot of people are put off because of the word needles, but sometimes needling there is a place for this in the beauty industry, and that's because you tend to need needles and that kind of technology to treat specific concerns, and some people avoid it because of the whole needle aspect. But it doesn't have to be scary, and it doesn't have to be this thought of having lots of needles puncturing your skin. That doesn't have to be like that. And that's because with all our treatments, with the needling, you can be numbed. When the skin is numbed, the sensation is definitely reduced dramatically. And when it comes to kind of the needling side of things, the reason why there's a place for it is because when you have deep lines, when you have scarring, and when you have kind of texture on the skin, it's very, very difficult to kind of treat that without having to go down these processes. Because if you think it's almost like damage that we're having to correct, so if you're correcting it, we kind of need to re-stimulate that area. And that's what needles will do. So when the needles penetrate the skin, it automatically creates a wound healing response. So your skin's tricked to think, I need to heal that area, regenerate collagen in that area, and it sends an abundance of collagen and elastin to heal and tighten and firm and correct the damage that's there. By doing skin resurface, by doing normal facials, you're getting improvement of skin texture. There's only so far that I can go in the skin, and damage that already exists tends to need that more, that deeper treatment, and that's where the needling comes in. If you've kind of got the deep lines, you need to be thinking needling treatments, maybe combined with a little bit of aesthetics like anti-wrinkle injections and filler. And sometimes people are averse to this, but the reason why we explain this to our clients is in managing expectations. When it comes to managing expectations and treatments for fine lines and wrinkles and things, it isn't unfortunately just facials, and our facials are very, very result driven and they are clinical, but there's only so much we can do for those deeper skin conditions. That's when you do have to start thinking about combining it with your aesthetic treatments and your needling. So if you kind of got those deeper lines, you don't kind of want to go down the Botox and the fillers route to start with, you want to kind of treat them and soften them, then that is where there's the place for needling. You are the needling clientele. It is the treatment for you. When we combine that with radio frequency, which we do with our Dermaforce treatment, you're getting the benefits of all the needling, which is the wound healing response, and also the radio frequency, which is the skin tightening and the anti-aging and the firming. Combine those together and you've got an amazing treatment, and that way you kind of really kind of addressing those concerns in the deeper layers, getting the results quicker than you would if you just kept going with basic facials. And long term, the longevity of the skin with the collagen elastin will be, you'll thank yourself, because the collagen will have been stimulated. If you then nurture that with your home care and maintenance facials, your skin will then stay supple and youthful for a lot longer.